Welcome to the channel. Today we will show you how to easily change your name in the Best Buy app. This tutorial will guide you through each action on your phone, ensuring your account reflects the correct information. Whether you need to update a typo or change your full name, this video will cover everything clearly. First, open the Best Buy app on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the profile icon. Next, click on Account Settings. Next, tap on the option that says Change your account name. Then, beside your current name, click on the Update button. After clicking Update, Best Buy will send a verification code to your registered email. Go to your email inbox, copy the code, and return to the app. Then, tap on the field to enter the verification code and input the code you received. Once verified, you can type in your new full name in the provided field. Finally, after entering your new name, make sure to click the Save button to confirm the changes. Your Best Buy account will now reflect the updated name, and you can continue shopping or managing your account as usual. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.